So, sa ako panggingon ka ganina nga naatay mga formula nga ma-obtain pag ang ato ang motion is under uniform acceleration. Number 1, ang ato ang makuha is velocity. So, wala ni siya na-arrange according to ano ha. Na-arrange ni siya gikan lang ani. Velocity, una sa ta, velocity as a function of time. So, velocity as a function of time, atong kuhaon kung ang di ba, since acceleration, kung ang uniform acceleration ni siya ha, so ang atong i-denote aning acceleration class is AC or constant acceleration. So, since the acceleration is equal to the change in velocity, so change in velocity over change in time, ato na siyang atong i-rearrange, no? So, may mo siya dv is equal to a dt. So, ato siyang i-integrate para makakuha taog, ma-obtain nato ang formula of velocity as a function of time in uniform acceleration. So, we are going to integrate this from v sub o to v final or v. Then, also, in this side, we are going to integrate from 0 or from time is equal to 0 to time t. So, we have v minus v sub o is equal to AC or the acceleration, the uniform acceleration, constant acceleration, t minus 0. So, kini, makancel out na ni siya nga part. So, ang mabilin is v minus v sub o is equal to ACT. So, ang ato ang equation na makuha in solving or in finding the velocity, may mo siya v is equal to, i-transpose to the right. So, matong v sub o plus ACT. So, makakuha taog velocity or final velocity using this equation. Initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied to time. Okay? So, this is the equation. So, next na, formula nga ito ang makuha using the assuming constant or uniform acceleration is the position as a function of time. So, position as a function of time. Gikan aning equation nato sa position. Katong change in position. So, kining ds, delta s over delta t. So, we have v is equal to ds or delta s over delta t. So, ang atong buhaton, mahimo ni siya og ds is equal to, kini atong i-cross multiply, mahimo siya v dt. Okay, follow? So, ato ding i-integrate both sides. Okay? Integrating this one from S sub O to S, or the initial to final position. Then we're going to integrate also the right side from 0 to T. Okay. So, before nato before ta magkuan ani no, proceed, naatay makuha nga magamit na nato ning equation nato sa part 1, which is V is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied to time. So, ato ning i-substitute nga equation dinhi nga function. So, we have, ato ni siyang gamiton, okay? Ato sa siyang ibutang dinhi. So, copy sa nato ning na sa left side. V sub O V sub O plus ACT or AT, kay ako lang gibutangan og C para madumduman nato nga magamit lang ni siya nga equation sa mga uniform acceleration. So ACT tapos DT, okay? Okay, so pwede na ta mag-integrate. So, pag ato ni siyang i-integrate nga function, the answer will be, so diri kay S sub O to S ramanino, ang delta S, the answer will be S minus S sub O is equal to the integral of V sub O plus ACT dt from 0 to T. Okay? So, the answer of this will be V sub O T plus 1/2 AC T squared. Okay? So, ang ato ang mahitabuan ni, i-transpose nato si S sub O to the right side. So, makuha na nato si final na position using this equation. V sub OT plus 1/2 ACT squared plus S sub O. Okay? So, we have our second formula. So, reminder lang, ay haranin nato magamit ng mga equation if gi-state nga uniform ang acceleration. Okay? So, ako na ning i-erase ning sa taas. So, the third one is velocity as a function of position. So, diri na nato magamit ang atuang kining nga equation bitaw, ang giderive na to kaganina, kining atuang third equation. So, C VdV equal to AdS. Okay? Sorry. So, VdV is equal to AdS. So, by integrating both sides, i-integrate nato from V sub O to V, then from S sub O to S. Okay? So, we recall that magamit ang for example, S sub O or V sub O, it indicates the initial value or initial displacement or initial velocity nga ato ang gi-treat, okay? So, ato ni siyang i-integrate, we are going to have V minus V sub O is equal to AC, sorry, we are going to use AC, 2AC S minus S sub O. So, sorry, this is V squared minus V sub O squared since we have V there, sorry, naday V dV. I thought it was only dV. So, finally, we can have the equation for in finding the final velocity. V squared is equal to 2AC S minus S sub O plus VO or the initial velocity squared. Okay. This is our third formula. So for our example number 1, if mg has a vertical leap, so mg is Michael Jordan, has a vertical leap of 1.29 meters, then what is his takeoff speed and his hang time? So, ato sang i-extract ang data given sa ato ang problem. So, given, since ang atong problem, nag-consider or ang iyahang problem is oriented along vertical axis, pag vertical axis di ay class, ako lang i-share nga, pag along vertical axis gani, for example, this is the ground level. So, if a ball is thrown upward, so, nana siya diri, sa iyang position 1 niya, initial, tapos position 2. For example, ingani nga event kas, ang imuhang ball na naa diri, naa siya'y initial nga velocity. Okay? Tapos, di ba, ang iyang acceleration is due to gravity. Okay? And we know that gravity is going downwards. Okay? So, this ball, assuming mo ni siya ang ball, going to up, naa siya'y V initial. Pag abot niya dinhi sa taas, in which muundang man siya dinhi, no? Kay naamang yun na siya'y maximum nga height nga iyahang maabtan. So, at Y max, maximum nga elevation. Okay, so at maximum elevation, atong dumdumon nga ang velocity final is always equal to 0. Okay? So mao ni siya. Ano lang ni siya? Nag-share lang ko sa theorem nga gina-adapt in treating vertical problems, no? Vertical-oriented problems. So, balik ta sa atong problem. So, since ang atong problem kay nagkuan siya, ano siya, no, og vertical leap. So, meaning, makuha na nato nga VF is equal to 0. Okay? So, part na siya sa given. Pero, implicit siya nga gibutang sa statement. So, has a vertical leap of 1.29 meters. Meaning, ang iyahang distance na travel or ang iyahang nasaka. So, Y max. So, atong gikuano, i-S lang gyapon nato siya. So, nara sa inyo kung i-S ba ninyo siya or pwede ra gyapon ninyo i-Y kay since along Y axis naman. So, S is 1.29 meters. Okay? So, then what is his takeoff speed and his hang time? So, another nga implicit nga giingon diri, since vertical man na, is ang acceleration due to gravity, which is equal to 9.81 meter per second squared. Okay. So, unsa ang required? So, what is required in the problem? So, ang gipangita is una is ang take-off speed, meaning ang iyahang V initial or V sub O. And the next question or ang next na required is ang hang time. What is hang time? So, ang hang time is the total time to move upwards to the peak or to the height of 1.29 meters and then return to the ground. Okay? So, total time to move upwards and then return to the ground. Okay? So, time, ato na lang siyang ibutang nga tihang. Tihang. Okay? So, pwede na ta mag-solve. So, unsa man ang ato ang gamit... sorry. So, unsa ang ato ang gamiton nga formula in solving this problem? So, ang atong gamiton nga formula in solving this problem is the formula, for letter A, is the formula for when velocity is a function of position. So, naatay given na V sub F, which is equal to 0, and then we have the distance, which is 1.29 meters. So, atong gamiton tong velocity as a function of position nga formula, which is V squared is equal to 2AC. No, mao man niya to ang gisolve ka ganina. Sorry. 2AC, constant acceleration, S minus S sub O plus V sub O squared. Okay, so mao ni ang ato ang velocity as a function of position nga formula. So, since VF is 0, ato na siyang i-cancel. Then, we are finding the V sub O, ato ni siyang i-transpose to the left. So, we have negative V sub O squared is equal to 2AC, which is AC na to, butang na lang na to daan dire, no? Where A or the uniform acceleration is equal to gravity, which is 9.81 meter per squared. Okay. Oh, sorry. So, negative V sub O squared 2G na itong gamiton dire. S. Since ang ato ang given na distance na is 1.29 meters kay ang S sub O is equal to 0 kay naman siya sa ground level sa iyahang pag-take o leap. Okay? So, 2GS na ta diretso. So, pwede na ta mag-substitute sa ato ang values. So, pwede ang ato ang mahitabuan nino. We have this, may man na siya V sub O squared. Ang kining negative, di ba? Kung sa mathematics pa, sa algebra pa, kinahanglan man ka magpakita nga nag-multiply ka or nag-divide og negative 1 both sides. So, dinhi assume na nato nga nagtag negative, no? So, ato na matransfer naman gyapon ning sign diri. So, masyag negative 2 times G, which is 9.81. And then, we know that gravity is going downwards, okay? going downwards, which is negative. So, negative 9.81. Meter per second squared. Multiplied to the distance or the distance of 1.29 meters. 1.29 meters. Positive kay going up man ang yahang leap. So, we have V sub O is equal to negative 2 times negative 9.81 times 1.29. We have 25.3098 meter squared over S squared. Okay. This is V sub O squared. So, ang may tabuan ni class atong i-square root. So, kuha na to ang square aning 25.3098 meter squared per second squared. Then, the answer is V sub O is equal to 5.03 meter per second. So, now, let us proceed in solving the hang time. Okay, so, for letter B, we are going to use the equation when velocity is a function of time. Okay? So, kaganina ang atong gigamit na equation, kini siya is when velocity is a function of position. So, karon ang atong gamiton nga equation is when velocity is a function of time, which is V is equal to V sub O plus the uniform acceleration and time. So, okay. Dumdumo na to nga ang V final na to is 0. And we have the value of V sub O. So, kwaon man nato ang time, ani no? So, ato lang ning i-transpose to the left. Negative ACT is equal to V sub O. Okay, so, kabaluta nga ang acceleration nga atong gigamit is according to gravitational pull or is equal to the gravitational constant. So, this is negative times negative 9.81 meter per second squared. T is equal to V sub O. Atong na-solve kaganina is 5.03 meters per second. So, nahitabuan ni T is equal to 5.03 meter per second all over positive 9.81 meter per second squared. So, dinhi pa lang ato nang makita nga maka-dimensional analysis ka bali, di ba? Since meter per second makancel na no, ang mabilin dari kay second na lang, isa na lang ka second. So, naman siya sa denominator. So, 9.81. Sa to pa, unitless, makancel maning meter. So, may mo na siya over second. So, kining S, masaka na ni siya diri sa numerator. So, the answer is 5.03 divided by 9.81. So, the answer is 0.5127 seconds. Okay? So, and then, this is not the hang time yet since this is only the time going up. Okay? So, the hang time is the total time going up and going back to the ground. So, we are going to multiply this by 2. So, T, which is, so 2T, so 2 times 0.5127 seconds. So, T hang or the hang time is equal to 1.025 seconds. Okay? Or you can box it as your final answer.